There you go again. Memphis. JJ the boss. You see me, here's the pretty one, the beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Hi, how are you guys? Hi, welcome to the race. Yeah, everybody's gonna have fun. Yeah, see, it's gonna fun tonight. Everybody's get busy. Everybody's get busy. This is Knoxville. Knoxville is really nice there, guys. Look, it's in the middle of nowhere. Hi guys, how are you? This is live, okay? Live. Everybody can see you all over the world. Philippines. Yeah, this is what's called this? Racers here. There you go. Everybody's busy. It is busy. There you go. Everybody's working here. Even Elliot. Elliot, be careful, Elliot. Yeah, good job, Elliot. But just be careful, okay? Yeah, yeah, it's gonna be fun. There's Big Berta's car. Tonight, she's gonna run tonight. Oh, here's the other baby. Are you going to work? Are you ready to work? Memphis. JD the boss. Cars, sir, is amazing. It's amazing. Crystal. Crystal, say hi. Herbie's always busy, so I'm videoing. Herb, this is live. It's busy right now. JJ the boss. Obviously, it's about to run.
Come on. Come on. Come on. A little
This is
bit
way
more. There you
again.
go.
She's gonna
Right there.
run tonight.
Let me get in that picture.
Huh?
Let me get in that picture.
Oh! There you go. Say hello again. You're gonna see. You're gonna see you guys. Everybody. With JJ the boss. They're all busy right now. They keep running around. Here's Trisha Win. There you go. She's working. Yeah, man, tomorrow's gonna be crowded here. This is a real risk here.
Ready now. Thank you.
Say hi, JJ. Say hi. Yeah, this is live. Ooh, look at that.